My greatest passion in life is my family. I also love telling stories and making beautiful cinematic films of people and places.
Let's run away and find a field of sunflowers.
I'm also passionate about teaching, but not in the heavy instructional sense, but more communicating in that special way of achieving personal gratification, showing others the light at the end of the tunnel, making it grow brighter and brighter.
I love you so much.
In the winter, I love to ski with my family, and despite achieving a pretty good standard, I'm always striving to improve, so I regularly take lessons.
Both have a love for the snow, mountains and of course skiing.
The skiing analogy is to take you through the plateau to a standard of achievement that makes you first and foremost the best you can be, and the best at what you do. Sure, I took the occasional fall, but I never blame the conditions because the fault was usually all mine. But I have hopefully learned one more thing to add to my experience, my enjoyment and my personal fulfillment. Which brought me to the realisation that family life, business success and personal satisfaction are not three different things, they are one, life's rich pageant.
I've been privy to Hayden and Vicky's romantic, tumultuous, crazy, loving relationship.
So join me. I want to take the uninitiated newcomers and advanced filmmakers on a journey to achieve personal satisfaction, the best that you can be.
I wished it to be sunny today, and just like everything else, it has come true.
I look forward to having you on board. It's your time to evolve.